Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is a freaking awesome day out today.
That car driving make you feel some type of way. That custom brightly make you feel some type of way.
As you probably see behind me, yes, those are the seats from Regina, aka the Evil Queen. As you can see, they are looking mighty dingy today. Please will focus. There we go. As you can see, they are looking awfully disgusting. What I am going to do, I already sprayed some spick and span cleaner on there. Hopefully that does the trick as far as cleaning them up a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and hose these off, and then I'll let them dry probably overnight throughout tomorrow while I'm at work. Hopefully they'll be dry by then. It's supposed to be another nice day tomorrow as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get these hosed off, and then we'll come back tomorrow. And then we're going to go ahead and paint them with some fabric, Rust-Oleum, or however the heck you pronounce that paint, fabric and vinyl paint. So, and get them, we're going to paint them black obviously. So with that said, let's go ahead and get to washing these off.
What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did.
Alright, so as you can see, I just finished rinsing those off. For the time being, I'm gonna let those things dry probably for the next day to 2 days. I don't know how long, at least until the fabric is dry. That way I can get the fabric paint on. So until tomorrow, guys. Yo, what's up guys? It is the next day. These things have had time to dry. They're actually pretty dry to the touch. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get some paint on one of them. The fabric paint on one of them, and see how it looks compared to the other seat. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and just move this thing over. It's a tote that I actually used to wash the dog in. So I think I am going to go ahead and start with the top one, and we'll start with that. As you can see, it is not the cleanest thing, but I cleaned it up as, you know, whatever. Go ahead and get the little bit of loose pollen stuff off of it, and let's go ahead and get the spray, the paint. I'm gonna set up my camera. Alright, so this is what I'm using, is Rust-Oleum fabric and vinyl, flexible coating stuff. So let's go ahead and get it on there. Come on. Oh. Alright, well that's first coat down. Here goes layer 2. Alright, that's the end of coat 2. Alright, coat number 3. Alright, so that is thick layer 3. Obviously it doesn't look perfect, but it does look a hell of a lot better. With that said, it's not done. I only bought 1 can for some stupid reason. So I am going to need to buy, I'm going to probably buy 2 more cans of that, and then finish up the back seat and then call the back seat a day. But with that said, it looks way better than what it did. I'll show you the difference between the top and bottom part. Yeah, night and day difference. Painted with the fabric paint and just gross with no fabric paint on it. So this is going to get a couple more coats just to darken it up some more, and then this is also going to get painted as well. So when I get more paint, I'll come back and finish those. So until that happens. Yo, what's up guys? I didn't film doing the rear seats. I didn't film doing the bottom half of the back seats. But I did want to come out here and show you you guys how it turned out. It looks amazing. I went and bought 2 more cans. Put 1 can on the bottom, a half a can back on the top, and another half on the bottom. So each top and bottom part of the back seat has 1.5 cans sprayed on it. It's kind of hard to tell in here, but I'm probably zoomed in. Nope, I'm not. It's just that dark that you can't see it. Alright. And of course I have no light. That's what happens when you need better lighting, and I need better lighting in here. So, but the seats turned out great. Yeah, if only I had better lighting to show you. Crap. I don't have crap for lighting in here. Yeah, you can't even see it. It just looks super dark in here. Like, you can see my hand, and then it's like, oh, it disappears. But yeah, the seats turned out, you can see my hand is on the seat, so it's pretty dark. I'm very happy with how they turned out. As you see, okay, here you go. Here's a good example. You know, it only looks like it's still kind of grayish a little bit because of the light that's shining on it, but they're actually really dark. Looks way better than they did before, and they are not as dingy and gross looking. I cleaned them and then got the fabric paint on them, which is awesome. So, with that said, back seats are done. Awesome. Got some more of the interior back together. On the driver's side, the little door seal and fuse cover kick panel piece on the driver's side. I'm not going to put this side on yet, mainly because I still have to wait until I get the wiring harness, but anyways, I can't put that back in until I get the wiring harness in and the ECU hooked up and attached and everything. So, but with that said, it is coming along. Everything is coming along. Slowly but surely, it is happening. So, she'll be back on the road soon, probably within the next 2 months. So, that is awesome. I only have a few more things that I need to buy, and then she will be ready. I might run the stock exhaust just for the time being until I save up to get the other one that I want to get. But yeah, with that said guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I surely enjoyed making it. So with that said guys, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button because it definitely helps me out and it helps the channel out a lot. So until next time guys, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Peace out and never look back.